So Allan Bakke, he wanted to go to one of the California state universities. He wanted to go to medical school. And he was quite upset that he didn't get in, and he was denied admission twice. And what he decided was that, it was because I'm white. Allan Bakke was a young man, well, not that young. He was like in his 30s, and he wanted to go to medical school. He applied to, I think it was UC Davis, it was one of the California schools, and he wanted to get in, and he got denied twice. And so he claimed that the reason that he got denied was because Black people had taken his spot. And two things come out of the Bakke case. First, it's important. Now, I'm going to get into this a little bit more in a second, but the Supreme Court says that, yes, it does not violate the Constitution for universities to come in and use race in admissions decisions. That's the most important thing that we get out of Bakke, is that the Supreme Court, even though it's one of the most divided opinions ever. It's like there's no real true majority opinion. And when you do that as lawyers, like you try to find, well, there's 5 justices that say this. And we got 5 that said it is constitutional for universities, state-run universities and private universities, to use race in admissions decisions. So what does that mean? That means that you can say, okay, people who are of a certain race is something that we're going to give a little bit more weight to, in that regard. And that Bakke case was in 1979, 78 or 79. So it's been a long time, right? So the Bakke decision is old enough to be grown, had a mortgage, paid it half off.